I'm Brian Washburn with Omdia, and today I'll be speaking with you about our new report titled B2B Network Services, a Technology Market and Business Primer. If you're newer to telecom networking and operations, or if you're trying to get a handle on the basics, or if you just need to understand how telecommunications operators work, well, this is a report for you. Here, we're going to tell you a couple of network trends that are impacting network service providers. First, private IP to internet. That is, enterprise executives that we talk to are widely dropping MPLS private IP. They're moving either partway to the public network with hybrid private-public networks, or they're adopting all internet access. New platforms like SD-WAN and SASE, well, those are helping to make the transition while they keep a security model in place. Buyers are doing this because they can save costs. They can also be more flexible by moving to all internet. Internet services tend to be faster to order. They're usually also cheaper. And then there's the move to cloud that helps make the transition work. With private IP shifting to public internet, it's left network operators scrambling a bit. Another trend are shifts in customer experiences. The old days of calling up a customer service rep on the phone, that's in the rearview mirror. Enterprise executives nowadays want to connect with their network partners wherever, whenever, and however they want. That can be by a phone call or a mobile app, through the website, or through an in-store visit. There's a generational split for preferences, and interesting, we also see a country split. That is, in economies such as Australia and the UK, enterprises still prefer to pick up the phone. But you get to markets like Brazil and Indonesia, well, the IT executives there, the preference there is for WeChat or WhatsApp or something of a digital interaction. So in B2B, we're seeing that telecom operators are each trying to position a little bit differently from each other. What they're all trying to do is avoid commoditization of their network. Unfortunately, the tough part is that they're not just competing against each other. Large enterprises can go direct to integrators or consultants or MSPs that can commoditize the network and add their own layer of management and differentiation on top to deliver to the enterprise. So it's a tough market. And looking back 20, 30 years, back then telcos were with fewer services and they had a much bigger workforce. They were less streamlined. The internet wasn't public yet. And even 20 years ago, we were just starting to see the first generations of broadband emerge. Contrast that with today, where you can get 500 megabits per second business broadband for less than US $100 a month in a lot of markets in the world. There's been changes that have been fast, dramatic, and intense. And with newer technologies coming on stream all the time, we expect that the future will also be dramatic and intense. So we've got more information about the report and a link to it in the description. And this message comes to you from Omdia's service provider enterprise team. Omdia is part of Informa, a leader in global knowledge services and events. Thank you for watching.